feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car.
We are going on the POVs. PeopleMover. Guys, so I'm gonna have Mama's phone if we get to the dark part.
Remain seated at all times. Close automatically. Enjoy your journey. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around tomorrow.
This is fun, guys.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. The absolute best way to see tomorrow. And my stars, there are never lots to see. From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
Oh, Space Ranger spin. We just got on that.
If you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take part while on board. Thank you.
Woohoo!
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City, Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World? Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. That means there's a tiny ORAC.
Whoa! Is that a water balloon? No. No. Whoa.
On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Whoa! It's Astro Orbiter, guys!
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy F31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Need a light.
This is Starport 75.
Or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket pull to distant deep space destination.
That's so cool!
Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy. The coral rooms of Pisces 7. You H2O it to yourself.
No, when we get in the dark place!
You don't need it no more.
I know!
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you. oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Calling all space rangers. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission. See you ever served.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz.
We just came from there.
Take the time to see the show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our PeopleMover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time, now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow.
Hi.
See you in the future.
How dare you?
Rated age.
That was awesome, guys. And I'm ready to go in another round.